Hi! In front of me is POCO F5 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll down to access Battery section. Following that, tap on Performance over here, next to Balanced. And in order to activate it, choose OK in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, high performance is on. If you wish to turn it off, tap on Balanced. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!